Okay, dear student, we are going to solve model question papers for SSC annual exam 2021 physics theory class 10. We have solved the MCQs in the last class. Now we are going to solve the section B part A short answers. So question number 2 is define physics and its three importance in daily life. Main definition of physics: the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, energy and interaction between them is called physics. So this is the definition of physics. Now what are the importance of physics in our daily life? There are so many importance, in which these are the simplest three importance. We use electrical appliances in our homes due to physics. For example, fan, iron, oven, these are our electrical appliances. These are manufactured due to the physics, of the principles of the physics. Number 2, we can communicate each other with large distance due to the physics. It means our mobiles, computers, televisions, radio, they are manufactured by the principles and laws of physics, so we can communicate our relatives who are living at the distant places. Number 3, we use nuclear energy to produce electric power due to the physics. So nuclear fission reaction, large amount of energy is released, which is used to produce electricity, mean electric power. It is due to the nuclear physics. Next, question number 3, define refraction of light with the help of diagram and also laws of refraction. So what is refraction of light? Now we can define it: when the ray of light passing from one medium to another medium, obliquely it changes its direction and velocity, is called refraction of light. So refraction means when the ray of light is passing from one medium to another medium, mean rare medium, denser medium. Ray of light is coming from rare medium and entering into denser medium. There are two changes. Now it changes its direction. Its way is in a straight path, but it is refracted, mean changes its direction, and also its velocity is changed. These two changes are called refraction of light. Now laws of refraction. First law is incident ray, refracted ray and normal lie on the same point of incident at the same plane. Look at this one, is the plane, means surface of the medium. Rare medium, denser medium, ray of light is incident over this point, which is called point of incident. And refracted ray is also reflected over here. This point of incident is same. If we draw the normal, this dotted line is normal. This line is also passing through this point. Therefore, we say incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same point of incident. So it is first law of refraction. Second law is the ratio between sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant for all the rays, for all the medium. It is called second law of refraction and also known as Snell's law. Now you have to remember the Snell's law, that ratio between sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant for all the rays and all the medium. Next, question number 4, state the following laws: law of inertia, Boyle's law, Hooke's law, Pascal's law. Law of inertia. the property of the body to resist the change produced by an external agent. It is known as law of inertia. Next, Boyle's law, the volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure by keeping the temperature constant. It is known as Boyle's law. Third one is Hooke's law. Stress is directly proportional to the strain under the elastic limit. So it is called Hooke's law. Then Pascal law, liquid exert pressure equally in all directions. It is known as Pascal law. Now question number 5, define PN junction diode and write three differences between N-type and P-type substance. Now first of all we will define PN junction diode. PN junction diode can be defined as N-type substance is layered by P-type substance, which is indium, and heated at 550 degrees centigrade. Indium diffuses in N-type substance and makes a PN junction, which is enclosed by brass plates, and two leads are connected for outer connection. It is known as PN junction diode. Look at the diagram. This is P-type, this one is N-type. P-type is layered on N-type and heated up at 550 degrees centigrade. So indium diffuses in N-type. Here indium is positive. So positive charges are diffused over N-type and N-type charges diffused over here. This becomes a junction which is known as PN junction. Two leads are connected for outer connection for the use of PN junction diode. Next, difference between P-type and N-type substance. P-type substance, number 1, trivalent substance is mixed with germanium or silicon, which makes P-type. Now N-type, pentavalent substance is mixed with germanium or silicon, which makes N-type substance. Now number 2, hole charges are current carrier. Electrons are current carrier in N-type substance. Number 3, there is an excess of protons and there is an excess of electrons. So these are three differences between P-type and N-type substance. Now come to the question number 6, scientific reason. What are the scientific reason? So these reason, number 1, due to anomalous expansion of water while the pipe burst in cold areas due to the anomalous expansion of water. Second reason is while the needle sinks but ship cannot sink. So due to having less volume, the needle has less volume, therefore it has more density than water. Those objects having less density than water are floats, but having more density than water, they are sink. So these are the questions of section B, short answer. In next class we will do part B of section B, numericals. Okay, thank you.